Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a tune-up series by Majorette, and this is from series 2, and I think this one will be either super rare or rare. So let's unbox and see what is inside. So this one is a bit already opened, but I don't mind about that. Okay, let me just show you this code here once. So this one is BK071122. Okay, so if you see the the cheat sheet which you are getting in either Instagram or in general Google search, you can't able to see this particular code. So if you want to note it down, I really don't mind. Okay, removes like this, but it is not coming. Okay, fine, let's throw that away. Okay, let's see what's inside this one first. Okay, this one has a surfboard. Okay, let's see what's here. Okay, this one is the body kit. Okay, there's nothing inside here apart from this. Even I'm really confused now what is inside. Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, this is the Volkswagen Golf. Let's just take it outside. Okay, okay, we do have Volkswagen castings. I think that is from series 3. Yeah, that is from series 3 we have. So let's take the chip first. I think this one is rare. Yeah, I personally like this, the color combination of this. Let's put this here. Okay, first let's just look at the casting here. So the first impressions of this casting, this looks really beautiful, and the acrylics here, for the headlights, this looks really beautiful. It's blue tinted. The logo placement is really nice. The grill is like, it's a bit embossed and painted on top of it. Wow, the paint job is really nice. It's matte pink, I can say. This looks really beautiful, and I think this one has an openable part as well. Yeah, I think you can open it. Come on. Yeah. Wow, this one is really nice. The detailing is really nice. I didn't expect this one, so it has this, speakers setup inside. That looks really nice. Wow. Okay, so the body is actually made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic, and the wheels are kind of generic, but it is really nice. Because they painted it white as well to match this vinyls here or livery. Okay, it has suspension. So let me just put this body kit first, and then I will show you the tune-up series 3 as well. What's the difference between that one and this one? So here is a stickering for this one. Let's just put it here. Let's put this aside for a minute. Okay, so here is the body kit. So this one, think I'm really not sure, but I think this one is the front part. Let me just see. Yeah, that is correct. Okay, we got it. Okay, that fits really well, and let's put the surfboard on top of this. So I'm not wrong, you just need to slide it here. Okay, think like this. Yeah, got it. Okay, so this looks really beautiful. So you can see the exhaust details here, this body kit. So this is the bottom part. This is really shiny, and this looks really nice. Okay, let me just show you the Series 3 ones. So here it is. It's a bit dusty. Okay, this one actually has openable part. So the casting is kind of same, but only they just redid the paint job and they changed the body kit, it seems. But both looks really nice. The paint job of both and the accessories they given along with it, both looks really beautiful. Let's just put it here. Okay. Yeah. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls. It doesn't have any wheel wobble. It rolls nice. It is not like very fast or anything, but it rolls really nice. It doesn't have any wheel wobble. I personally like this casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.